Pattern interrupt hook. If Discord is asking for age verification and you suddenly can't access servers or features, don't panic, but also don't skip this video, because most people try random tricks they see online and end up getting their account permanently locked. In this video, I'll show you safe and legitimate ways to fix Discord age verification issues and what actually works in 2026. Problem amplification. Here's what's really happening. When Discord asks for age verification, it's usually triggered by one of these things: joining age-restricted servers, accessing NSFW channels, account activity triggering moderation systems, missing or incorrect birth date on your account. Most YouTube videos say just bypass it, but the truth is, if you try fake methods or spam verification attempts, Discord can suspend or lock your account. So instead of risky tricks, we're going to fix the issue the correct way, step by step. A #fix1, confirm your account birth date. Check your Discord age information. Sometimes the issue is simply caused by an incorrect birth date. Go to User Settings, My Account. Make sure the birth date on your account is accurate. If your account shows you as under 18, Discord will block access to certain servers or channels. In this case, you may need to verify your age through official support. Fix 2. Complete official age verification. Submit verification to Discord. Discord may ask you to confirm your age with ID. This usually involves submitting a photo of a government ID, a selfie holding the ID, and your Discord username. You can do this through the official Discord support form. This method may sound annoying, but it's the fastest legitimate way to restore access. Most verifications are reviewed within 24 to 72 hours. Fix 3, server-level age restriction fix. Leave and rejoin the server. Sometimes the issue is caused by server settings, not your account. Try this. 1. Leave the restricted server. 2. Restart Discord. 3. Rejoin using a fresh invite link. If the server recently updated its moderation rules, rejoining can refresh your access. Fix 4. Clear cache and login session. Reset Discord session. Occasionally, the error happens due to cached account data. Try this. Log out of Discord. Clear Discord cache or app data. Restart the app. Log in again. This forces Discord to reload your account verification status. Tash. Bonus section. Prevent age verification problems. Most people don't realize this, but you can avoid this issue in the future. Prevention tips. Use your real birth date when creating accounts. Avoid joining age-restricted servers immediately on a new account. Don't repeatedly attempt verification. Keep your email and phone verified. These steps reduce the chances of triggering Discord's safety systems. Session extension. If Discord still won't verify your account, watch my next video, Discord Account Disabled, How to Recover It Fast 2026 guide. Because sometimes the age verification error is actually linked to account restrictions or moderation flags. Watch that video next before trying anything else. Wash SEO.